All right, so here it is, my Publix haul, Publix heist for the week. This is $76.68 worth of goods, all said and done. I had an overage moneymaker of 32 cents. I just squeaked out the moneymaker, keeping my streak alive of, oh gosh, last two and a half years, every time to the grocery store, moneymaker. So actually, there was one time I didn't have it. But yeah, so not that many good deals this week. I'm going to be back. I'm going to do another video. This is a long week. This is for the week of January 2nd today to January 11th, or January 2nd to January 10th if you live up north out of the state of Florida. So as you know, I'm doing this every week on the first day of the sale. So please subscribe to my channel so you can get these deals right off and get them the rest of the week, or in this case, the week and a half. So you can do this. They have these odd, holiday weeks. Thanksgiving, they had that long week before Christmas, after Christmas now, long week after New Year's, long week. So long weeks, short weeks, but I'm sure they're going to get their normal schedule of every Wednesday or Thursday. I live down in the south part of the state of Florida, so I'm in the true BOGO land. That means BOGO BOGO. You when you buy something, as these were buy one get one free. I'll get to those in a minute, but when you buy something, buy one get one free, in my state of Florida, you basically buy one of them and you get the other one for free. In the other states like Georgia and wherever there else is Publix, you can just buy one of them actually, and you'll buy it for the half price. So there's advantages of both in both cases. So a lot of times digital coupons, there's only like one of them. So if you're in a half BOGO, you can take a little more advantage. But however, if there's some buy one get one free coupons, then you get both of them for free. So I'm sure hopefully you will follow my channel. You'll see when these situations arise. But so $76.68 worth of goods, 32-cent money maker. That total includes the tax. So keep it real on the coupon boast here, real accurate. And got a detailed breakdown below. Trying to build my channel up. Hit the like button. Let me get right into these. Let's see, 14 or so deals. Not that many, but some pretty good ones. You can make it work. As I said, I'm gonna be back, get some more good deals. Let's start right over here with the Sundown vitaminC gummies. Just regular price for these are $7.99. And there is a manufacturer coupon. I do not have it on the table, but it's from the Save January 1st, yesterday. And it's $3 off, so it's a very good coupon. I believe it's only for 1 week. So January 8th, I guess, or 7th, it expires. So get on that if you want to do that. That takes $3 off of that $7.99. There is a extra savings store coupon that takes $3 off. So that's very good. And there is also an ibotta rebate that takes $1 off. So $7.99 spent, $3 from the manufacturer coupon, $3 from the store coupon, $1 back from ibotta, making that only 99 cents. All right, Nature's Bounty Kids Gummies. So these are regular price $5.99. And there is a Publix digital coupon that takes $2 off. There is also the same kind of thing, Nature's Bounty vitamins or supplement take $3 off. And then ibotta has $1 off. There's a limit of 5, so I think I got more, but $1 off your Nature's Bounty. So that made that $5.99 spent, $3 from the store coupon, $2 from the Publix digital coupon, $1 back from ibotta. Made that a 1 cent overage. And finally, the Carnation. I'm going to get to this deal here. It's kind of a combination deal here. So this is combination deal, or this is Carnation breakfast essentials. I got the 8 ounce kind milk chocolate. It was $8.29. And there is a Publix digital coupon that takes $3 off. There's an ibotta rebate that takes, I believe, $1.50 off or $1.25 off. And there is an ibotta bonus if you buy the a Nature's Bounty and a Sundown and the Carnation, and there were a couple other options, but I did it this way. You get $4 back from ibotta. So this was, as I mentioned, $8.29, $3 from the Publix digital coupon, $1.25 from ibotta, and $4 from the ibotta bonus made that only 4 cents. So for all three of these, gosh, you're looking at, 15 cents, About $22 worth of stuff, and the total for that is $1.02, something like that. So for $22, so that really helps. Keep going. Band-Aid gauze right here. So the Band-Aid gauze, this was a deal last week too, and if you got that Publix digital coupon $5 off of 15, yeah, you can use that and buy more. Check out my past videos when I can show you that scenario. I had used mine, so I couldn't have done it, but I got 2 of them. They're $2.12 each, so for 2 of them is $4.24. So there is a extra savings store coupon that takes $2 off. I used 2 of those, so that made it only 24 cents. There is a manufacturer coupon. I don't have it on the table, from the Smart Source. January 1st, it takes $1 off any Johnson's item. They scanned, they took them. So these are Johnson & Johnson's. So that was 2 more, because I used 2 of those. $2 more off. So that made that $1.76 overage on that. Now, I'm speaking fast. I got the breakdown below this video and all links to print any of the coupons below this video. Just hit the more button below the video. And you know I was working up to something. So Sprouts competitor coupon started today. That's why I did the deal today to January 15th. This is a great one. When you spend over $40, you get $5 off your total. And the way this works is Publix will accept some competitor coupons, such as Winn-Dixie is probably their biggest one. It's all grocery stores that are fairly close to the Publix you're shopping at. They usually have a green placard, or you can ask customer service which competitor coupons they accept. And I got this in the mail. Now, if you are interested, you have a Sprouts nearby, and it's January 15th. So your Publix, if your Publix takes competitor coupons from Sprouts, leave a comment, and I'll see if I can get one of those out to you, help you out there. So, because, I mean, it's not fair when I tell you I got all this great deals and I use this. It's only $5 more, but that did push me to the moneymaker. But so any competitor grocery store within like maybe a 5-mile radius, they honor. So they honored that, and that took $5 off my total. And that was before I handed them the rest of the coupons. I handed them this coupon first. I was like $60 something or something, and I handed them that. So all right, let's keep it going here. Air wick warmer right there. So $1.99 for this, $2.14 when you factor the tax. There is a manufacturer coupon from the January 1st Smart Source that took it was for a free one, so that took $1.99 off. There is also a Publix digital coupon that maybe not have came off, but it came off, and so I took $1.75 off. And of course, my tip: have all your Publix digital coupons clipped. And man, they gave us a lot of Publix digital coupons this week. So there's a lot, like 200 or so I had to clip. But they'll stay in there. Most likely, they won't disappear on you if you got them clipped. So that's kind of my tip: have all your Publix digital coupons clipped. Have all your ibotta rebates clipped. I have all my coupons.com app things clipped. So just you want to have as many coupons as you can, because sometimes things come off. So in this case, yeah, the $1.75 came off. Coupons.com or has the $1.75 back as well. So those are $3.35 overage moneymaker on that. Flintstone Gummies. Regular price for these are $7.99. They're on sale this week, 20% off, so it makes it $6.39. There is a manufacturer printable coupon from the coupons.com website that takes $4 off. I got the link to print that below. So that makes that $2.39. And or their coupons.com also has $4 off or back, so it's could be a $1.61 overage moneymaker right there. Tate's cookies, $1.25 regular price for this guy. There is a Publix digital coupon for a free one, so it takes $1.25 off. Also check your ibotta, and you might even have $1 off. I've used mine multiple times. If you line the edges up when you submit your ibotta receipt and you have everything clipped, it may come off. I've used mine, so I just got this for free. All right, keep rolling, keep going. Children's, this is the infant advil. It's $5.39. There is a manufacturer coupon from the Save January 1st, which was yesterday. I took $3 off. Their coupons.com also has a $3 rebate so that made that a 61 cent overage right there. Cedars Hummis, So these are some food deals in here. Cedar Hummis, regular price are $4.99. So for two of them, it'll be $8.98. However, they're BOGO this week, so you get both of them for $4.99. And you need to buy two, I guess, to get a BOGO, whether you're in True BOGO or half BOGO, because the coupon I got is, I got the link to printed below, is $1 off two Cedars products. So that took $1 off. So that made that guy only $3.99. It did not scan, but maybe because she didn't really try that hard, and it's kind of small, but it should scan. Regardless, she put it through. I don't think you have any issues with it. So $8.98 for those, the regular price. Since they're BOGO, $4.99 total, and the $1 off made them $3.99 for both of them. All right, Truvia sweeteners. So regular price for these guys are $3.79. So for two of them would cost you $7.58. However, they're BOGO this week, so you get two of them for $3.79. From the Smart Source January 1st, there's $1.50 off. So I used two of those. So $3.79 spent. Used two of these, $1.50 and $1.58, added up to $3. Made that only 79 cents for both of those. So made that kind of a good deal. And once again, it helps me build up to my $40. Cascadian Farms cereal. So the cereal here is $4.79. So for two of them would cost me $9.58. However, they're BOGO this week. So I got two of them for $4.79. And there is a Publix digital coupon that takes $1 off of two boxes. So that made, or maybe it's $2 off of two boxes. I gotta look at that. Hold on a second. So yes, it is $2 off of two boxes. Publix digital coupon takes $2 off of two boxes. So made that was $4.79 for both of them. Minus $2 made it $2.79 for both of them. So my moneymaker is a little better. It's a $1.32 moneymaker on that. Oh, wow. All right, I'll edit that. I'm not redoing the video though. I want to get this information up to you as soon as possible. So that's what I'm doing here. $1.79 next. No, where are we at? Red Gold. Red Gold. This is kind of in the canned food section. $1.59 for these is the regular price. So for two of them would cost you $3.18. However, they're BOGO this week, so you get both of them for $1.59. There is a Publix digital coupon that takes 75 cents off of two. So that made them 84 cents for both of them. Now, check your Publix account, because some of them just have 25 cents off of one. I happen to have or use the one that had 75 cents off of two, so made those 84 cents for both of them. Rosarita beans, $1.79 for these. Just the regular price. There's a Publix digital coupon that takes $1 off, making them only 79 cents. And last deal here, the Nutachips. I did this deal last year, which was only a few days ago, but I did this deal last year. It's a limit of 5, so I think I've done it 4 times. So these are hard to find. They were in the power panel. They were like on the side, kind of. There's no real designated spot for these things, is what I found by going to Publix. But if you can find them, ask customer service. The Nutachips, plantain chips, very, very tasty. $2.29 for these, and there is a fetch offer that gives you 1,500 points back, which is equivalent to $1.50, making that only 79 cents for that. So once again, and then I talked about my $5 off competitor coupon that I used. So once again, please subscribe to that funny looking guy right here. Get more paid to shop videos here. Trying to post a video first day of the sale. I'll also post some other fun videos here and how-to videos, because that's just who I am. But once again, everybody enjoy. What did I have here? $76.68. Probably one of my lowest haul heists, and a $1.32 overage moneymaker. So once again, everybody enjoy their couponing this week.